Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Today I will show you step by step how to connect your Apple Watch to Wi-Fi. This can be super useful if your iPhone isn't nearby, since your Apple Watch can still connect to the internet on its own. Let's get started. First, press the digital crown button on the side of your Apple Watch to go to the home screen. From here, tap on Settings. It looks like a gear icon on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Your Apple Watch will start scanning and show you a list of available Wi-Fi networks nearby. From the list, tap on the network you want to connect to. If it's a saved network that your iPhone has already connected to before, your Apple Watch should automatically connect without asking for a password. If the network is new and password protected, you will be asked to enter the Wi-Fi password. Once the password is entered, tap on Join. If everything is correct, your Apple Watch will connect and you will see a small blue check mark next to your Wi-Fi name. At the top of the control center, you will also see Wi-Fi symbol when you are connected. After connecting to a Wi-Fi network, make sure to enable the auto join toggle so your Apple Watch joins this network automatically. You can check your Wi-Fi status anytime by pressing the side button to open the control center. If the Wi-Fi icon is blue, it means your Apple Watch is connected to Wi-Fi. If it's grayed out, you're not connected. And that's it. That's how you can connect your Wi-Fi on your Apple Watch. Super simple and helpful when your iPhone isn't around. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Apple Watch tips. Thanks for watching.